Bitcoin educational videos. I want to show you how the bottom will be formed. People are a lot interested in Bitcoin, so I want to give them some education here. Okay, so Bitcoin is finding support on this 200 SMA line. You can see this blue 200 SMA line. It's around 20k. Bitcoin is finding a lot of support here, and we are in the process of finding a bottom. Okay, now let's see how the bottom will be formed. If I zoom out a bit, okay, you can see Bitcoin price is going lower. Below you will see RSI and PPO. Okay, these are momentum indicator. So you can see here above price was dumping from 50,000 to 17,000. Okay, and when you look at RSI, I will get an arrow here. You can see RSI here. You can see RSI was going higher. All right, so RSI started going higher here. Okay, you can see there was divergence. Price is going lower, RSI is going higher. Same thing with PPO. Okay, you can see here PPO was also going higher. All right, so that means this is an early indication of reversal. All right, so how do we know when to take a trade? You can draw a trend line. Okay, you can trend line from previous highs. You can make a trend line like this. Okay, make a trend line like this, and you can zoom in a bit, and then a break of this trend line is the buy signal. Okay, so we got this buy signal here. This is when you should be buying, and this was a bullish buy move here. All right, so how it's going to work out now here? You can see now today we still don't have any momentum on RSI and PPO. So how I think it's going to work out in next couple of days, 2 weeks. Let me draw you a path here. So I think what's going to happen is Bitcoin is going to make a lower low here. Okay, so previous low was around 19,500. It will make a slightly lower low. Okay, and then it's gonna go higher. All right, so what will happen on these momentum indicators? So how it will look? So on momentum indicator, I'm expecting here on RSI, it's gonna go a bit higher. It's gonna go a bit higher like this, and then go a bit like, let me draw it properly. There's an arrow here. Let me draw another one arrow here. So from here, it's gonna go slightly above here. Okay, and then the last arrow here. From here, it's gonna go a bit higher. All right, so what you will see here, price is gonna make a lower low here, but RSI is gonna make a higher high. Okay, so same thing like what we saw before. Okay, and then you can draw a trend line. So RSI will look something like this. Okay, it's going higher here, and for here to get a buy signal, you can draw a trend line. Draw a trend line from here, higher high. You can draw a trend line like that. Okay, and when you see a breakout, whenever you see a breakout, that's your buy signal. Okay, this is the safest trade how you're gonna trade Bitcoin, and I think we are getting very close to finding a bottom, and next week is US CPI day. We might get a big move there. Okay, so don't be scared to buy Bitcoin.